The tweet's image is driven by a two-line recurrence. Start with many points, then replace every point by the next one, over and over. The hidden move is complex squaring. For z equals x plus iy, z squared splits into x squared minus y squared, and 2xy. Sine and cosine are the second move. They fold the stretched sheet back into a bounded square, so the orbit cannot fly away. The added post shows the live workflow. In Marimo, a wigglystuff any widget edits a path through A and B space. That change moves through a reactive DAG, controls, recurrence cell, downstream render. When the path's A and B values drift, the same recurrence changes which folds line up. Dense visits glow, rare visits fade, and the triangular boundary appears. A new kind comes from changing only the middle operation. Replace the square by a phase-lifted cubic, rotate that cubic phase, then keep the same sine-cosine readout. The recipe is portable. Choose a complex power, rotate or bend the phase, then bound it with sine and cosine. The notebook loop makes that recipe easy to explore live.